Catherine Bernardo update. Yan sa post ng IB Clinic. Yan, IB Day ni Catherine. Yan, ito yung video ni Catherine sa IB
Hey,
Clinic.
it's Sunday. Happy Sunday. I just finished my IB day. Today we did IB Crystal Bright. I did it before Christmas in December. I did it again kanina. It's
IB
to
Crystal
improve
Bright.
skin texture and to minimize the pores. And also, Exion is for tightening, just to prep my face for my
IB.
taping tomorrow. So I did it sa jaw and sa cheeks. Yun lang, yung
Dalawang
ginawa ko
session.
this Sunday. I'm ready to work again tomorrow. And I'll see you on my next IB day. Happy Sunday!
Yan, oh. And then yung outfit ni Catherine kung saan spotted siya sa isang restaurant. And ang tanong, sino nga ba kasama ni Catherine dyan sa restaurant? At abangan, yan, Someone Someday, yan, nila Catherine Bernardo, yan, James Reid at Ma Salvador, yan, malapit na. Yan, ganda pa ng ni Catherine, oh. Yan, Isla Amara.
And then you put
Ito
this.
sa IG story ni Aris na nakaraan. Yan, pinagmatcha pa nga niya ni Catherine, si Aris, yun ang BFF niya. Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard ng Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.